Hey folks, well here's in the kitchen with Bert and Linda, and here's little Linda trying to hide over here.
I'm working
there
the camera.
She's gonna do the camera, and I'm gonna try to get these. We're gonna do a low carb cheesecake, and we're gonna see how it turns out. We've never really tried this before, but anyway, it's 4 ingredients. It's
Cream cheese.
It's 2 ounces of cream cheese. Is 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's 1 egg, and the cream cheese and the egg are both at like room temperature. We got 2 tablespoons of the sweetener, and basically get it all blended and then let it set up. That's it. That's simple. So we're gonna start off with putting the cream cheese in.
It's almost like a mug cake, except it's cream cheesecake.
And I'm going to go just a tad more than that to make it 2 ounces. That's about 2 ounces right there. Then I'm going to go ahead and put the egg in. And then, should we put the sweetener in too to blend it? Or should we
I would just go ahead and blend it smooth, and then you can add the other.
So hold on, we'll be right back. We're going to blend this. All right, now we've got it blended fairly good. Now we're going to put in the teaspoon of the vanilla extract. Teaspoon, yeah. Then we're going to go with 2 tablespoons of a sweetener. Okay. And after that, we're going to blend it again, so we'll be back in a minute. Okay, we got it blended, and it looks pretty good. So we're just going to scrape it into the bowl. Okay, I'm trying to get it to the last drop, folks. You know what? I'm not so good. Woo, that was close. We almost lost the whole shebang.
Now, people notice it looks kind of runny right now, but you're fixing what? You're going to cook it?
Yeah, we're going to put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes or 90 seconds. And then after that, we're going to take it out, and then it's got to set up for at least 20 or 30 minutes. So we'll come back after we've let it set up. Hi, folks. We're back now. We've got the cheesecake. It's already set up, and we've got some peaches on it with a little bit of whipped cream, and we got a smiley face looking at you. So now we're going to do just a little bit of a taste test on this, and just check out the cheesecake. That's pretty good. Yeah.
Does it taste like cheesecake?
It tastes like cheesecake.
How long did you leave in the fridge?
We left in the fridge for probably about 40 minutes. So anyway, y'all gotta try this. Only a 90-second cheesecake. So just remember to like, subscribe, and share our channel. And remember that God loves you, so do we. And we'll see you guys soon on our next video. Bye for now.